Meaning of hanging valley.
Hanging valley.
Hanging valley.
Hanging valley.
Hanging valley. A hanging valley is a geological term used to describe a tributary valley that is higher in elevation than the main valley it flows into. This occurs when a smaller glacial valley meets a larger one, and the larger valley has been deepened by glacial erosion. The result is a steep drop-off where the hanging valley meets the larger valley. Often, the hanging valley will terminate in a waterfall or other feature that adds to the visual appeal of the landscape. Hanging valleys can be found in many glaciated regions around the world.